Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Wednesday, the 7th of August 2019, and we've seen gold rise above $1,500 and silver above $17. What has happened? Let's investigate. Three central banks cut rates more than expected today, in anticipation and in recognition of weakening global growth. India, New Zealand and Thailand all lowered rates today by far more than expected. The Bank of Thailand cut rates by 25 basis points to 1.5%, where markets were expecting no decrease at all. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand declared a 50 basis point rate cut to 1%, whereas the market was only expecting a 25 basis point reduction. And the Reserve Bank of India adopted a 35 basis point cut to 5.4%, whereas again only a 25 basis point reduction was expected. These cuts sent the yield on the 10-year Treasury note, which is used as a benchmark for mortgage rates and auto loans, falling to a low of 1.595%, under 1.6%, the lowest since autumn 2016. The yield on the 30-year Treasury bond bottomed around 2.12%, near its all-time low reached again in 2016. Similarly, rates in Germany and the United Kingdom clinched all-time lows across the board today. All of this follows the Fed rate cut at the end of July and the Chinese devaluing the yuan this week. The European Central Bank has already stated that it will reduce rates if necessary, and it looks like it will be. And we've reported extensively on the devaluation of sterling already. Gold is significantly up today, currently standing at $1,503 and £1,238, and silver is also up at $17.13 and £14.10. The break above $1,500 gold and $17 silver is significant, and we can continue to expect higher prices ahead. President Trump attacked the Federal Reserve President again on Twitter today in reaction to all major Wall Street markets trading at one stage at least 1.5% lower. However, since his tweet, we have seen stocks regain some composure, and all are currently trading in the black again. This is what he tweeted, or part of what he tweeted, quote, "Our problem is a Federal Reserve that is too proud to admit their mistake of acting too fast and tightening too much, and that I was right. They must cut rates bigger and faster," unquote. But in a nutshell, we agree with Peter Cardillo, chief market economist at Spartan Capital Securities, who told the BBC today, quote, "It's all about the fear factor over the trade war and the impact of the trade war on growth. Things are just falling out of bed. You have gold soaring this morning. Obviously investors are running for safety," unquote. It's going to be a long summer, and there's a lot more to come. However, rest assured, although gold and silver are indeed likely to move higher again in the coming days and weeks, and with the EU playing tough with the British government over Brexit, holders of gold in the United Kingdom are benefiting from continuous all-time highs almost every day. Our predictions earlier in the year, before the escapade with China turned ugly, was to expect gold to perhaps top out at $15.50 and silver at $17.50 for 2019. With the recent turn of events, we're still cautious, as we're mindful that if the US lowers rates again, which It looks like they shall. Although it may be good for gold and silver, it will be even better for stocks. So for now, we're perhaps seeing gold topping at $16.50 and silver at $18.50, $18.50 that is, for 2019. But that said, we are the first to admit that just about anything can happen, and the Iran situation is also not solved as yet either. If Trump gets his way and manages to push the Fed into significant interest rate reductions via causing even more tariff havoc, then one can add another $200 to gold and $4 to silver in 2020. But that's for another day. We managed to purchase a little gold and silver yesterday before this sudden price rise, and we shall be sharing what we purchased with you tomorrow. It was one of our pawn shop heists. Look forward to speaking with you then. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Please ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell sign so that you are notified of any future videos. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe either as a free or paying member for regular email updates and offers. Disclaimer: Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.